Hey guys, so a lot of you probably got an iPhone. So today I'm going to show you how to perfectly install a glass screen protector without any special tools. Let's get started. So the first thing I like to do is to turn off the device. If your screen protector came with one of these wipes, just go ahead and clean that screen. Make sure it's nice and dry. Now with one of these stickers, it usually says dust absorber on it. Go ahead and take it out and use it to pick up any small specks of dust. All right, let's take out the screen protector. Where it says back over here, you're gonna use that to put it face down onto the screen. And let's go ahead and get it aligned. And using the guide sticker, let's create a hinge. Use a third sticker to make some kind of a handle like this. So from here, let's open the door, remove the back layer, use your handle, gently lay the glass down onto the screen. If your screen protector came with one of these cards, go ahead and use it to get rid of the bubbles. Always start from the middle, going outwards. And from there, we're just going to clean it up, remove the stickers. There we go. That's perfect. If you found this guide valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Hit that notification bell. Until next time, nerd out.